Hey friends, how's it going and welcome back to another video. So I need to be pretty quick today because my mom is visiting all the way from Victoria and she's gonna arrive soon. So yeah, I need to make this quick, but for this week's video I wanted to finally do a house tour because everything is finally pretty much done except for a couple of things. Yeah, and I just thought why not, I've been requested to do one, so that's what this video is. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna randomly start in this room. So this is the kitchen. We're renting, so it's nothing fancy, but this is the kitchen. This is the outside area. We've got like a decking space, and then we've got a barbecue. Oh, it's very like overexposed. Oh my god, guys, I'm so bad with camera settings. I'm really sorry that that's so exposed. But basically, it's a barbecue, a little sitting area. Oh my gosh, I feel like I should be good at like camera settings by now, but I'm not. It's just a big backyard. It's pretty boring. We've also got a catio, which you might be able to see. Yeah, it's basically just a big like cage wall and the cats sit out there. They have that litter out there. And then this is the laundry area. The laundry is in a cupboard, but I'm not going to show you because there's dirty washing that I need to do. And that's just not aesthetic. Also, my cats are just being crazy right now. So yeah, this is the kitchen. We've got some bar stools there, my radio. This is what the inside looks like, my cat. Sink. These are my succulents. They're my babies. I love them so much. Got that one. I use old mugs to put them in. Then yeah, that's the rest of the kitchen. We had to take the door off our pantry because our fridge wouldn't fit and it's a little bit of a mess, so just excuse that. I want to do a video where I properly organize it and everything, but for now that's fine. Then in here, this is the dining room. I've got the aircon on at the moment because it's a bit hot in here. This is a diamond painting my mom did for me. Yeah, this is our dining table. We've got 6 seats. I need to get some flowers for that vase. And it's got a candle and this little shelf from Kmart. Then if you come this way, this is the lounge room. It looks a little bit of a mess, but I like having cat toys out because my cat likes to bring me gifts. So yeah, she brings me little toys and I just like to have them out for her. This is our huge cat tree. Yeah, the cats love hanging out on that. Front yard, which I'm not going to show you too much. That's Zach's little thing that I made him with all like flight stuff. This is our little shelves. Then we've just got some more cat balls and my kitten's bowl. We've got a lot of like golf balls and caps everywhere because my kitten likes playing with them. This is our couch. We hung up some photos. I need to get a lot more photos to fill up that space. Coffee table. This is the flowers my partner got me for our 5-year anniversary. And some chocolates there as well. This is our TV unit. That's a bus. I don't know what it's called, like a bus. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like it's an old bus thing that you wind. I've got my PlayStation, my Nintendo Switch, all of that. Our TV mounted. These blinds are broken and need replacing, so I just keep them closed. This is where I keep my cat toys. This is our printer, Wi-Fi area. I've also got my diffuser, a couple of cat toys, cat scratcher. There's my kitten. Yeah, I've just got my laptop out. I've been playing Stardew like crazy. Got this rocking chair, side table. This is my cat's favorite blanket, so I keep that on the couch. This, I don't want to stand in front of the mirror because I look really bad right now. But I moved, if you saw my latest cleaning video, I moved this mirror out of my studio into here. And same with these shelves and this plant. So this is the entryway. This is the front door. It's very overexposed. This is a little basket for shoes. This is my studio, which I've showed a million times. It's a little bit messy. Yeah, if you've seen my other videos, you've seen this room a million times. Also, sorry if I'm shaking. I've been cleaning, so my hand's like shaking. These are some drawings I did of Chanel, Coco, and me and Zach. And I need to do one of Hazel, my kitten. This is our spare room, which the cats love going in. We've just got some cat beds in there at the moment. And this is our new Duna cover that we put it on. Yeah, it's a pretty basic room. I want to get some art to put up here because it's just very blank. But for now, it's fine. Then coming around here, this is our main bathroom. Again, it's pretty boring. We've got a really old cat tree because that's the entrance to the catio, so they just climb up the cat tree and out the window. There's a bath. I always get paranoid, sorry for the echo, I always get paranoid that people are gonna come and need things, and we don't have much storage in here, so I just put this in the bath for now. We want to get like a bath cover to add more storage, but I just have a heap of things that people might need. Then that's the entrance to the catio. And one of the cats, hey Coco. And then we've just got a shower and the toilet's just behind there. But no one really uses that bathroom except for guests, so yeah. Then we got a linen closet. Then this is our bedroom. Again, I showed this in a cleaning video, but we've just got some shelves, Zach's cupboard, Zach's computer, Zach's sort of side. We've got a tunnel for the cats. This is our bed. We just got this doona cover, and that's my squishmallow. This is Zach's side. We've got another blanket for our cats. TV on the wall. My cupboard. The doors need replacing. This is like an outside view from our window. And my side. And then lastly, this is our ensuite. Again, there's nothing too special. Shower, sink, toilet, and there's a mirror just over there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm so out of breath now. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it was a little bit rushed, but I still wanted to get a video up this week. They know they're not allowed on the bench, but they do it anyway. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, as always, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications, and I will see you all next week with another video. Bye!
Yeah, you know that I only roll with real ones. Not the type to front or make me feel dumb. Cause I got aspirations, baby, real ones. So you know I can only roll with real ones.